Where does the name for dolphin come from? So today I'm in Flintshire, just up the road from Millward in a small village, well, hamlet really, called Dolphin. Let's get into the name. Now, Dolphin, bit of an odd name for a village, right? Well, it's named after a pub. Back in the 1600s or 1700s, there was a pub here, probably, I think, where the Glanarafon is now, called the Dolphin. And it was called the Dolphin because the local nobleman, John Wynne Leeswood, had a dolphin on his coat of arms. Now, that pub gave its name to a set of houses, a terrace called Rest High Dolphin, and even though the pub disappeared, the houses were called Rest High Dolphin, and that gave its name to the village. So the town name literally means dolphin. Anyway, deal, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. Links in my bio. Deal. Have a good one.